Hello friends, welcome to Learn HTML. In previous video, we have seen how to create a simple HTML page. I would like to request you to watch the previous video. The link is given in description box. Like the video, subscribe the channel and press on bell icon. Now let us begin. This is our first file. Let us open this file. Simply double click on the name of file. This is our first file. I little bit zoom it with the help of Ctrl and plus key. Okay, now let us minimize this file, and here we want to make some changes. For that, right click on file name, open with. Here choose the program. We want to open it with Notepad. More apps. Here select Notepad. Okay, we don't want any editor here. Now if you don't want to change this file, then simply go to file menu, click on save as, give the another name to file, type here file name and give the extension .html. Don't forget this extension .html. Click on save. Now our two files are created. This one is the second file. Now you can change the title. Here we want to change the body. Okay, now in case of HTML, there is a important thing is creativity. You know the how your page will display. You have seen the page preview. This one is the page preview. Okay, if you want to make some creativity here, then use Alt tab to go to the source. Okay, this is body tag, and if we want to change the color of body, then here we use property or attribute. For writing property, just go to the tag, click at the end of the tag name inside the angle bracket, space. The attribute or property of background color is BG color. BG color, background color, equal to, you can give any color, and it is better practice to use double inverted sign, that is double quotes, for alphabetical data. Okay, now the BG color is orange. This is tag and this one is a attribute or property. Now save this file, save, and here we want to open the file. Again go to the file folder, double click on this file too. Here is the background is orange. Again zoom it, Ctrl plus. Okay, now here if you want to change the color of your text, then for this you have to use font tag. Font is a tag, but font tag never has any identity without any attribute. Therefore you have to give here attribute. Suppose here we want color, then type here color, only color. The attribute name is color and give the value. Attribute should have any value. Suppose here we type green and close this font tag here. Suppose here I write one more line. This is outside font tag. Okay, now let us see what happened. Save, go to your browser and just press F5 for refresh. Now this color is changed to green, but it is not changed. Why? Because let us see the code. You can also see here code. Just want to check the code, then right click on the page, go to page source. Here this line is outside the font tag, therefore font effect is only applied to this line only. As well as here we type these lines on two separate lines, but within the page it is displayed in a single line. Then how to take break? For that, again go to your source code in Notepad. For break, here you have to simply use a tag BR. BR stand for line break. The BR is known as a empty tag because it has only opening, not closing. And here other tags have closing as well as opening. They are known as container tag. Here HTML, head, title, body, these all are container tag, and BR is a empty tag. In BR tag you can also use slash here, only closing or only opening. Both are valid. Okay. For font tag, here we use a name of color, font and bg color properties. We use a name of color. You can also use a code of color. Simply go to your browser, go to search, and here you can search HTML color code. Enter. Or you can also search the list of HTML color. Let us browse the list of HTML color code. Here you can see that every color has some code. Suppose here we want to this code #7 FFF00, or take any other color. Suppose we want this color, this is not a standard color. Then #9932CC. Let us use this code. #9932CC. Click on save and let us see the preview. Go to your web page and refresh the page with the help of F5. This is the color code. You can use the different color code. Only you have to insert that color code instead of name of color. Then this code is also used as a value of property. Okay. Now font tag has color one. It is one property. The next property of font tag is, let us see, face. Face means font name. If you don't know the font name, doesn't matter. Go to format, click on font. Here you can check the font name. These are some fonts. You can take any one font. Suppose we want this font. Right click here, copy, close the font, and here within double quote paste it. Here let us change the color because this color is not match on that background color, therefore here I use yellow. Save the file, Alt tab, go to your browser, click F5, go to the design part. This is a coding part. Click on design part and F5. You can also here use font size. Again go to our source code. Here add one more attribute is size is equal to, suppose, 5. 5 is a too big size. Let us see. Again here press F5. Like this you can control your text. You can decorate your text. You can decorate your web page with background, with color, with font, size, name and face. Okay. Now here in this lecture we have seen BG color, property of body tag, as well as color, face and size property of font tag, and one empty tag, that is BR. Okay. That's all in this video. In next video we will continue. Thank you for watching the video.